In this video, we're going to review handling leads that come through the website. When you log in, you'll see today's leads here, and when you're ready to call somebody, which should be as quickly as possible, click on their name. While the phone's, call them up. While the phone's ringing, click edit here so that you're ready to populate any information. Once you get them on the phone, obviously you want to try to set an appointment, and I'll go through all of our fields so you can see what you'll want to enter. Their name's going to be there already, their last name will be there, the phone number will be there, maybe verify the email with them. If you set an appointment, you're going to populate it here. The most important part in here, and up until a lead sets an appointment, is this lead status. Each time you work with a lead, you're going to be able to mark whether they were interested, whether they want you to call back or not. But I'm really interested in this part, attempted to contact, emails. With sales, it's proven that the more you try, the more you approach somebody, the more you touch them, the more you contact them, the more likely they are to close. So we don't want leads to be called once, they don't answer, and we move on and we never call them again. So when you make your first attempt, if you call and you don't get a hold of them, you're going to set it to first message. Leave the message, and then you're going to call them back the next day. And once you call them, if you get another message, you'll do the second message, and you'll work through each one of these steps until they either say, I am not interested at all, don't call me back, or you set an appointment. These two right here should be the end of dealing with a lead. Before that, or maybe junk lead too if it's just garbage, but before that, you've got to work through these steps and keep it updated. We're going to look at the reports and see how far we got through this cycle before we stop working on a lead. So let's say we left our second message, manually entered means did it come through the website or did you type it in yourself? You don't have to worry about that right now. There's other information, as much of this as you can get. Once you're done with that person, save it. Now let's say you're trying to call back again and you get a hold of them and this time you're interested. Same thing, you're calling them, you edit the lead, and now they want to make an appointment. You'll change your lead status to appointment set. You come over here, appointment date and time. You put the appointment date, pick the time that it's going to be, and save it. And then you're set. The key here is just following up with a lead until they tell you to leave them alone or they set an appointment. In the next video, we'll deal with if somebody calls in and they didn't come through the website, how to put them into Zoho.